Nothing is so good, it lasts eternally. Perfect situations must go wrong, but this has never yet prevented me wanting far too much to fly too long. Looking back, I could have played it differently. One of you more moments, who can tell? But it took time to understand the man. Now at least I know him well. Wasn't it good? Wasn't it fun? So fun. Isn't it madness? He can't be mine. But in me, it's a little bit more. My securities, fantasy and freedom. I know him so well. No one in your life is with you constantly. No one is completely on your side. Though I move my world to be with him, still the gap between us is too wide. The man before I found, but I was ever so much younger then. Now at least I know him well. Wasn't it good? Oh, so good. Wasn't it fun? Oh, so fun. Didn't I know how it would go if I knew from the start?